In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your website using Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your site's user experience by providing visitors with clear, interactive location details, integrating Google Maps is a fantastic way to do just that. Whether you own a business, run a blog, or manage an event, having a map on your site makes it easy for your audience to find you. I'll walk you through each step in a clear and straightforward way. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have Google Maps successfully added to your Wix Studio website. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Wix Studio. This is where all the magic happens. Wix Studio is a powerful tool that makes creating and customizing websites easy, even if you're not a coding expert. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Login button. Click on that to continue. Now, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, select the option that says Continue with Google. This is a secure and convenient way to log in without having to remember yet another password. If you don't already have a Wix account linked to your Google account, don't worry. The platform will guide you through a quick setup process. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you're logged in and on the Wix Studio dashboard, it's time to start adding Google Maps to your site. Look for the plus icon on the dashboard. This is your gateway to adding new features to your site. Click on it to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Contact and Forms. This is where you'll find tools designed to help you connect with your audience, including the Google Maps feature. Once you've clicked on Contact and Forms, scroll or look through the options until you find Maps. Click on Maps, and just like that, you're on your way to integrating Google Maps into your site. Now that the Maps feature is added to your Wix Studio project, you can customize the locations that will display on the map. To do this, click on Manage Locations. This feature allows you to fine-tune the information that appears on your map, ensuring it's tailored to your needs. Next, click Edit Address. Here, you can update the address that will be displayed on your map. Make sure to enter the most accurate location possible. This step is crucial because it ensures your visitors can easily find you or the place you're highlighting on your site. After updating the address, you'll want to edit the title. The title is what communicates the purpose or name of the location. For example, if this is a business location, the title could simply be the name of your business. Keep it short and clear, so it's easy for visitors to understand. To provide even more context, you can add a description. This is a great place to include additional details about the location. For instance, if it's a store, you might want to note the hours of operation or any special services offered. Keep the description concise yet informative. Finally, you have the option to add a clickable link. To do this, click Add a Link. This feature is especially useful if you want to direct visitors to another web page for more details, such as a booking system, a product page, or even a larger map view. Be sure the link is relevant and enhances the user's experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized Google Maps on your Wix Studio website. This interactive feature will not only make your site more user-friendly, but also help your audience easily locate you or the places you're promoting. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.